So let's say I want to drop a small question for students to solve in their time. And let's say a small equation. So I'll call it 2x minus 5 is equal to 5, right? Now, and then I said, all right, let me solve this as an example for the students. What I can do is to go to interactives, go to tools, go to whiteboard recorder. I'll allow it, and then it will count down for me. And now anything that I add here, okay? I mean, if I had a stylus, okay? All right, anything I add here, this is recording it. So once I stop, it immediately uploads it and then preloads it on the whiteboard for me. Now, it's available to the students for anyone who wants to go through it. We call this asynchronous videos, and they help students to learn even when the class is not live.